Hello friends, my name is Adil Dabir and thanks to Alive Digital for giving me a good platform to establish my own company I've established my own company as a proprietor, and my company's name is BUCUP, related to digital marketing company. And thanks to Rohit sir to make me capable of doing the work of digital marketing. And nowadays for small businesses, digital marketing is most probably needed, and this platform is very useful for them. And for this we are here to learn take a good knowledge from Alive Digital about digital marketing. And thanks for digital marketing course of Alive Digital. Thank you very much. Hello guys, I highly recommend you to take a good knowledge about digital marketing from Alive Digital. And we have good faculties like Rohit sir and Priyanka ma'am, which will help you in your all training of your digital marketing. So please do come to Alive Digital, get a good response from it, and you will have your own proprietorship company after the course. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Sanket Joshi. I am a freelancer and I am a student of Alive Digital. Learning digital marketing with Alive Digital, it has been very good experience for me. We are not only limited up to the theoretical knowledge, but we are applying practically what we have learned. Faculties here are well experienced, cooperative, and full of knowledge, help students to understand concepts well. Thank you Rohit sir and Priyanka ma'am for encouraging me to learn a digital marketing, and I am fortunate to be a part of Alive Digital. Thank you. I highly recommend to you to join Alive Digital for learning digital marketing. Thank you.
My name is Priyanka Arvindekate. After my graduation, I was so confused which stream to go for. So I came to know about digital marketing at Alive Digital. I attended their demo class. I was so impressed by Priyanka ma'am and Rohit sir. I decided to join the course, and they also have very good placement assistance. All my queries were solved after completion of the course. I also got placed at Prata Business Services, and I am a digital marketing executive there. I highly recommend you guys to join Alive Digital for digital marketing course. Thank you.
मेरा नाम मौसम शेखर है। मैं यहाँ अलाइव डिजिटल में डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोर्स कर रहा था 2 मंथ्स ड्यूरेशन का, जो मेरा ख़त्म हो चुका है, और मुझे यहाँ से प्लेसमेंट कोविड के लिए नहीं मिल चुका है, तो मैं बहुत जल्द कोविड जाने वाला हूँ। और थैंक्स सर और मैडम का, जिन्होंने मुझे इतनी अच्छी टीचिंग दी, उसके बिना पर मैंने ये इंटरव्यू क्रैक किया, उसके लिए आपको शुक्रिया।
Hi, I am Anuja Sanjay Farande. I am from Pune. I joined Alive Digital for digital marketing course, and I get very good experience from Alive Digital. And I would get to thank you to Rohit sir and Priyanka ma'am to provide very good knowledge. My technical queries has been solved. Thank you Priyanka ma'am and Rohit sir to giving me 100% practical knowledge. I am recently working in well-known software company. So I am highly recommended to you to join Alive Digital from digital marketing course.